As a trader, risk management should always be of concern to you, whether you're a newbie or a more experienced trader. It's not often, though, that brokers want to help you manage your own risk. That, of course, is because it goes against their favour. But one broker that does place heavy emphasis on risk management is iOption. Good for them, I say. We'll be taking a little look at that later on in the video. But first, let's take a walk around the site and the platform. Now, iOption was established way back in 2008, one of the earliest brokers on the scene. It was a slow starter. You may not even have heard of them before, but they've been building slowly yet surely over the course of the last few years. They offer a very, very simple platform and a very clear website, which is user-friendly. They also have the option of a more complicated platform if you're more of a professional trader. Like many other binary options brokers, iOption is based in Cyprus, and they've been attracting very positive feedback, especially when it comes to their high-quality sales team. We'll be taking a look at that a little later too. Now, the thing that concerns me, and I'm not sure if it's because it's a Sunday and this specific market is closed, but this loading bar has been on there for quite a while now. I've tried to open the website in Internet Explorer, Firefox and Chrome, and I've got the same bar up. So I'm not really sure if that's a malfunction or a bug from their side, or if it's a problem from my computer, but we'll be keeping an eye on that. So this is the homepage of the website. Very, very easy on the eye. Not much information to be read here. Let's take a little look into the website now. And we'll start off by looking at the risk management offered by iOption. Now, once you get away from the home page, you can see that there is a lot of navigation going on. There's a lot of information and a lot of training information too, which we'll be showing you a little bit later on in the video. Now, these are some of the risk management tools offered by iOption. The first one they offer is a protection rate. Now, basically what this means is that they will give you a rate somewhere from between 5 to 15% of your investment, depending on which asset you trade. And if your trade goes out of the money, i.e. you're not successful in your trade, you'll get 5 to 15% of your initial investment back, which is a really good deal. By the way, in terms of payout, iOption are fairly generous with their payouts, and they offer anywhere between 75% and well over 500% payouts. 500% is for the One Touch offering. The next risk management tool they've got, which again is quite rare in the binary options industry, is called Buy Me Out. And basically, it gives you the option to sell your option at any point for a cost. So this means that if the market and your trade is going against you, you can click on the Buy Me Out button and the system offers you a price which is close to your trade at that time and reduces your loss. The third option, which is more common in the Forex industry and not so common in binary options, is the rollover. Now, rollover, as it says here, allows you to minimize your losses because it allows you to postpone the expiry of your option. So let's say that the market is going against you. You're coming to almost to the end of your expiry time. You actually have the option to push forward the trade so that the expiry is later. And of course, this ups your chance for a successful trade. So that's the risk management. Let's have a little look at the Knowledge Center now. This is a section which is really, really full of information. You've got an ebook, a video library. You've got a really great demo with a nice American fellow that tells you exactly how the company works. And the asset index. So let's see what they're offering compared to the rest of the market. Let's take a look at stocks firstly. Very, very populated list. This is a very impressive list indeed. Let's just go back now and have a little look at the commodities, which often you find around 3 to 5 in most of the binary options brokers. So here again, you've got a very populated list, very impressive. Now, what say we log into the platform and take a look at it? So it seems to be, okay, so this is actually loading now. Very, very clear platform. You can see here you've got the options of the various platforms. The up down, which is your typical call put option, your one touch, your options builder, which some of the other binary options brokers are starting to offer now, where you can actually build your option and offer add risk management and stop losses and the like, and future options, which apparently is coming soon to a binary options broker near you. So let's go back to our up down option. A little bit slow on the loading, this one, but once it's through, it's pretty nice. So let's see what we've got here. We're looking at the Tel Aviv 25 index. We've got the option to call or put. Well, this is going down considerably over the last hour. It's a downtrend. I'm going to trade with a trend, and I'm going to put a put option on this one, and I'm going to invest 100 euros on this with a payout of 71%. So my return would be $171 and submit. Right, you have the option to approve instantly or to wait for the auto approve, which is 3 seconds. That obviously is certain, you know, sometimes it's when you've got one-click trading, you can accidentally place a trade. Auto trading is more for the professional trader that doesn't want to approve. They're sure about their trade. They want to go and click and buy the trade without wasting any time. For the more newbie trader, I would recommend actually approving your trade just to make sure it is something you want to do. So again, I'm going to just click approve, bang, and that's done. Let's take a look at the one touch platform here. Again, very clean, very clear platform. Right, so what have we got here now? We're looking here at the oil. Here's the line. So this is the line where we predict it's going to touch. Quite unlikely, I'd say, but that is exactly why you've got your 550% payout, which is massive. So if I invest, let's say 10 units, or let's say 8 units, which is equivalent to 400 euros, that means I'm getting a payout of 2,600 euros. I'm going to apply, and that's it, as simple as that. I have the option to buy more. And by the way, if I want to spread my risk, or better, you know, trade, take the other side of the trade, I can do that. I can actually take the other side on the oil trade, just as simple as that. So we can take a little look at our portfolio, what's going on here. So I have to go through all the options of selecting the dates, which is not ideal. I would actually like all of my open positions to be open right in front of me, which they're not. I don't want to have to start searching, but that's okay. Let's have a look at banking history, and also I want to know how I can actually deposit money and withdraw money. So let's take a look here. Oops, I don't know why that came up. Let's go to deposit now and see what our options are for depositing. Right, so we've got credit cards here, money bookers, cashew, and direct wire transfers. The minimum deposit, by the way, when you're doing a wire transfer is 100 euros. That's pretty good. That's a low amount. Are they charging anything? No, it doesn't seem that they are. I'd also like to just have a quick look at withdrawals. Now, some companies actually charge for withdrawals. In fact, what I'll do is I will go on the live chat, test out the speed of the customer service, and here I am, Bob again. So bob@mail.com, phone number. So please let me know if there is a charge for wire withdrawals. What a lot of the companies do is they actually charge you for the first withdrawal you make, and then they won't charge you again, or they'll charge you not for the first one, but any withdrawals you make after that one. So hold on a second, let's just have a look where the live chat's gone. It's disappeared. Okay, that's strange. Seems to be quite a strange system. It is a Sunday today. Perhaps there's not many people available. Let's just try that once more. By the way, any information we don't cover in this video, you will be able to see in the written review. So you can look there for any more information you require. Anyway, I'm going to go back to the homepage now and just give a summary. By the way, this is the homepage. It's pretty good. You can see all of the information, all of the intelligence about your most traded assets and your most successful assets once positions have expired. And that is something that I have not seen on any other binary option broker. You've got your current balance and the total turnover. You can deposit and withdraw from here. And that's pretty impressive. Again, no PayPal on offer here, which does irritate me slightly because that's what I like to use when I'm trading. But that's okay. You do have your money bookers option, and they offer American Express as well. Okay, so to summarize, iOption have got some really good things on offer. You can see that they're constantly developing, adding new platforms. Their asset list is very, very populated, which is great. Slightly confused about the live chat feature. Didn't have much success with that, although all my past experience with iOption customer service has been very, very positive. I think the platforms are very clean and clear and easy to use. So overall, I would highly recommend iOption and watch this space for their latest developments.